It out. It should be behind the door.
God, I don't know how I can video this and hold my beer. That was a huge, right over there, giant bolt. Oh my God. Hold it up higher. Yeah, so I can see that. And, oh my God. Look how late it's getting. That bastard sun's coming right out now. Look at that.
What's wrong with this fucking umbrella?
What did you say?
There's something wrong with the fucking umbrella.
No, it's okay.
It's dripping on me.
No, it's dripping. Look at me. My ass is soaked.
Close it, rinse it out.
Yep. Wind's dying down.
Why don't you go stand out there, Dad?
Start to clean the car in.
Yeah,